Welcome to our video on how to use Deepseek R1 without an internet connection. While Deepseek R1 is primarily a cloud-based AI platform, there are ways to leverage its capabilities offline. Whether you're in a remote area or simply prefer offline solutions, this guide will show you how to make the most of Deepseek R1 without needing constant internet access. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding Deepseek R1's offline capabilities. Deepseek R1 is designed to be a cloud-powered AI platform, but it also offers some offline functionality. This is particularly useful for users who need to work in environments with limited or no internet connectivity. By downloading specific models, datasets, and tools, you can use Deepseek R1 offline for tasks like data analysis, machine learning, and more. However, it's important to note that offline usage may have limitations compared to the full cloud-based experience. Features like real-time updates, large-scale data processing, and cloud storage won't be available offline. But for many tasks, offline mode can still be highly effective. Part 2. Preparing for offline use. To use Deepseek R1 offline, you'll need to prepare in advance. Here's how. 1. Download necessary models and tools. Before going offline, download the AI models, datasets, and tools you'll need. Deepseek R1 allows you to export models and data to your local device. Make sure you have enough storage space for these files. 2. Install local software. Deepseek R1 offers a lightweight desktop application that can run locally on your computer. Install this software and ensure it's updated before disconnecting from the internet. 3. Test offline functionality. While still online, test the offline features to ensure everything works as expected. This will help you avoid surprises when you're offline. Part 3. Using Deepseek R1 offline. Once you're prepared, using Deepseek R1 offline is straightforward. Here's how to do it. 1. Launch the local application. Open the Deepseek R1 desktop app on your computer. Since you're offline, the app will rely on the pre-downloaded models and data. 2. Run AI tasks. You can now perform tasks like data analysis, predictions, or machine learning using the downloaded models. For example, if you've downloaded a sentiment analysis model, you can analyze text data without needing an internet connection. 3. Save results locally. Any results or outputs generated by Deepseek R1 will be saved directly to your device. Make sure to back up these files regularly to avoid data loss. Part 4. Syncing data when online. When you regain internet access, you can sync your offline work with the cloud. Here's how. Reconnect to the internet. Open the Deepseek R1 app and reconnect to your account. 2. Upload data. Sync the data and results you generated offline. This will update your cloud storage and allow you to access your work from any device. 3. Update models. If new models or updates are available, download them to ensure your offline tools are up to date. Part 5. Tips for effective offline use. To make the most of Deepseek R1 offline, keep these tips in mind. Plan ahead. Identify the tasks you'll need to perform offline and download the necessary resources in advance. Optimize storage. Offline usage requires local storage, so make sure your device has enough space for models and data. Stay organized. Keep your files and models well organized to avoid confusion when working offline. Conclusion and call to action. Using Deepseek R1 without the internet is a great way to stay productive in remote or low connectivity environments. By preparing in advance and leveraging the platform's offline capabilities, you can continue to harness the power of AI wherever you are. Have you tried using Deepseek R1 offline? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time.